Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your taillight cover. Come on.
I'm going to take a Phillips-head screwdriver and take these two.
What we're going to start off with is a screwdriver. Remove your taillight cover. As you can see, I have a smashed taillight. It's going to be really exciting to have a fresh taillight cover. Pull the taillight cover off to remove the bulbs to detach it from the car. See? I know I made this look really easy, but it's actually really hard, and you do need an engineering degree. So if you don't have an engineering degree, go get that and then come back. Welcome back. We have our shiny new taillight. Place your new taillight. Make sure it looks good. Yes, it does. Reinsert the bulbs. Walk it in. Yep, that looks good. And then simply push it back in place. Re-screw nice and tight so it doesn't go flying off when you're on the freeway. There you have it. New taillight.